Here we are at the Serb Fest. We're figuring out how Balkan are you by asking 15 questions that you should probably know. But before we begin, check out Katarina Ivancevic's latest cover on YouTube and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Let the games begin. If 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4, how many times do Serbs kiss each other on the cheek?
4 times.
I'll give you a second chance.
2 times, 2.
No, no, yes, 3 times.
3 times.
3, correct. So Toyota, Kia, and Subaru are popular car brands. Who won Zadruga this year?
I don't know.
Damn it.
Mercedes.
Oh, wait, no. Zadruga?
Yes.
I don't know, but I watched it with my baba.
I don't know what you're asking me, man.
Who won Zadruga? That's what I'm asking you.
Kia.
Thank you. So if the sky is blue and the grass is green, what is the name of Serbia's most watched TV channel?
Ban.
Nope, it's a color.
Oh, the color? It's blue and red.
No, not the color of ban.
Zvezda Granda? Or Parma?
TV channel.
Oh, TV channel? Artes? Pink. Pink.
Yes.
Pink.
That's correct. Pita can be made with cheese, meat, potatoes, and a variety of other flavors. What is the main ingredient in the riblja chorba?
Fish.
Yes.
I don't know.
You don't know the main ingredient in riblja chorba?
The rock band?
No, the food.
Chorba? Right?
What's in the chorba?
A lot of things.
Riblja chorba.
Yeah, even chorba.
What's the main ingredient?
I don't know.
Mariba bre.
Beans.
Oof, that is pasul.
Potatoes?
Password.
No. It's freaking riba, man. Riblja chorba is made with riba.
Riba.
Yes. All right, so what is the difference between sto and sto?
One's a number, one's a and the other one's a table.
Yes.
It's a table?
And what's the other one?
A table?
Is there a difference?
Yes.
Like 100?
Yes, thank you.
Table and $100.
It's 100, but all right. All right, so what is long, tasty, and looks like a turd?
Chvapi.
Yes, it is.
Tulum.
What? Excuse me? What yezik is this?
Chvapi.
Chvapi, yes. Yes.
Chvapi.
Yes. Chvapi it is.
Chavabs.
That's right. That is correct. All right, if Halloween is October 31st and Valentine's Day is February 14th, when is your Slava?
My Slava Sveti Nikola, December 19th.
That is correct. You don't know when your Slava is?
Oh, January 20th. What day is Slava?
Yeah, your Slava.
October 12th, Sveti Kiryat.
That's right.
Mine's May 22nd.
Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak invented the Apple computer. Who invented the electricity for that computer?
Nikola Tesla.
Correct.
Oh, Nikola Tesla.
Ding, ding, ding. Everyone's getting this one right.
Nikola Tesla also invented the radio and electricity.
Oof. Double points, extra credit. Name one thing Balkan people must have after breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Rakia.
I'll accept it.
Bread. A cigarette.
That is correct. That is the answer that I put down. I would have accepted rakia and coffee.
Ivan. Is it either a cup or a cigarette?
That is correct. That's a double point. You got both of them right. All right, so geography question. The United States is surrounded by Canada and Mexico. Name 3 countries that surround Serbia.
Bosna, Hrvatska, and Macedonia.
Crna Gora, Bosna I Hrvatska.
Correct. All right, so you can find a sink, toilet, and bathtub in the bathroom. What is one thing that people hit their head on the most when they shower in the homeland?
The door.
Nope.
The toilet.
They bang their head against the toilet when they shower. Got it. All right.
The faucet.
No. What does that mean? Is there a word for that?
The shower head. Oh, the boiler. The
Yes.
Boiler.
That is correct. What do the 4 C's stand for?
Samosluga Srbina spašava.
Ding, ding, ding.
I can say it in English, but only unity saves the Serbs.
That's correct.
Ch I C.
That is incorrect. Those are literally the 4 C's.
Samosluga Srbina spašava.
That's it. Spell the word pihtije.
P-I-H-T-I-J-A.
P-I-T-H-T. Wait, Pik. Piktija?
Yeah.
P-I-K-T-I-J-E.
There is no K.
Piktija? Oh, it's T.
H-T-I-J-E. Piktije.
Guča Trumpet Festival is held where?
Guča.
That is correct.
Kragujevac.
Guča.
In Guča?
That is correct. All right, last question. This is the toughest one. I don't know if you're gonna get it. What is Jelena Karlausha's real name?
Jelena Karlausha?
Yes. Yes.
No, no way.
Way.
Bože wouldn't give someone that last name Karlausha, man.
Well, maybe she was born with it.
Oh, jadnik.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Wait, is it Jelena Tošt?
Oh, that is the correct. Yes. Whoa.
And there you have it, ladies.
Thank you for playing. You were amazing. Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general and Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.